everyone, welcome to CIT Campus. Today I am going to teach you present continuous tense. Before going to the lesson, I would like to teach you very important thing which is essential when learning this tense. I think you already know that any verb has an ing form. Okay, let's see some example verbs. Learn, learning. Teach, teaching. Buy, buying. Run, running. Sell, selling. See, seeing. Live, living. Sleep, sleeping. Draw, drawing. Get, getting. Before starting my lesson today, I wanted to explain about this verb form because in this lesson we have to use the ing form of the verb. This ing form is called present participle form too. Right now it is very easy for us to go to our lesson present continuous tense. This tense is used to talk two types of actions. මෙය දෙයාකාරයක ක්‍රියා විස්තර කිරීමට භාවිතා කරනවා. The first usage, we use this tense to talk present continuous actions. මෙය වර්තමානයේ කරමින් සිටින ක්‍රියා විස්තර කිරීමට යොදා ගන්නවා. The second usage, we use the same tense to talk planned future actions. සැලසුම් කළ අනාගත ක්‍රියා විස්තර කිරීමට මේ යොදා ගන්නවා. In this way, you have to keep in your mind that we use this tense for type 1, present continuous actions, type 2, planned future actions. Okay, now let's go with the first type. Pyumi is reading a book. Pyumi is reading a book. Pyumi පොතක් කියවමින් ඉන්නවා. Mark is making pizza now. Mark is making pizza now. Mark pizza හදමින් ඉන්නවා. They are eating lunch right now. They are eating lunch right now. එයාලා lunch එක ගනිමින් ඉන්නවා. The roof is getting heat. The roof is getting heat. වහල රත් වෙමින් තියෙනවා. Francis is talking on the phone at the moment. Francis is talking on the phone at the moment. Francis phone එකෙන් කතා කරමින් ඉන්නවා මේ මොහොතේ. Jack and Jill are always fighting. Jack and Jill are always fighting. Jack and Jill නිතරම ගහගනිමින් ඉන්නවා. She is constantly complaining about her sister. She is constantly complaining about her sister. ඇය දිගටම ඇගේ සහෝදරිය ගැන පැමිණිලි කරමින් ඉන්නවා. Online shopping is growing in popularity nowadays. Online shopping is growing in popularity nowadays. Online shopping වලට ජනප්‍රසාදය වැඩි වෙමින් තියෙනවා. He is reading various kinds of books. He is reading various kinds of books. ඔහු විවිධාකාරයේ පොත් කියවමින් ඉන්නවා. They are playing football now. They are playing football now. ඔවුන් මේ වෙලාවේ පාපන්දු ක්‍රීඩා කරමින් ඉන්නවා. He is traveling around the world. He is traveling around the world. ඔහු ලොව පුරා සංචාරය කරමින් ඉන්නවා. Okay, now look at the following sentences. They are somewhat different. He is sitting. He is sitting. ඔහු වාඩි වෙමින් ඉන්නව නෙවෙයි. ඔහු වාඩි වෙලා ඉන්නවා. He is standing. He is standing. ඔහු හිට ගනිමින් ඉන්නව නෙවෙයි. ඔහු හිටගෙන ඉන්නවා. She is wearing a sari. She is wearing a sari. ඇය සාරියක් අඳිමින් ඉන්නව නෙවෙයි. ඇය සාරියක් ඇඳගෙන ඉන්නවා. මෙවැනි වාක්‍ය පිළිබඳවද ඔබ සැලකිලිමත් වන්න. අපි එවැනි තවත් වාක්‍ය බලමු. Baby is sleeping in his crib. Baby is sleeping in his crib. දරුවා තොටිල්ලේ නිදාගෙන ඉන්නවා. I'm getting late. I'm getting late. මට ප්‍රමාද වෙනවා. Okay, now let's move to the second type. As I mentioned at the beginning, now we know we use present continuous tense to talk two types of actions. Type 1, present continuous actions. Type 2, planned future actions. Okay, let's go to planned future actions now. We are leaving for the beach tomorrow morning. We are leaving for the beach tomorrow morning. අපි වෙරළ බලා යනවා හෙට උදේ. The kids are arriving at 6 o'clock. The kids are arriving at 6 o'clock. ළමයි 6ට එනවා. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. අපි සන්ධ්‍යාවේ කෞතුකාගාරය බලන්න යනවා. Okay, here I explained the complete lesson for present continuous tense. Please do not forget to subscribe our CET Campus channel. Let's meet again in another video. If you want to learn a complete course, please join CET Campus. If you want to be a teacher, please join CET Campus. Thanks. Bye for now.